Cloud. Hey, welcome everybody. We are here today to talk about using a Canva template to make a website and social media friendly poster. So we have kind of two objectives with this. I have developed a template in Canva that you are welcome to download, save, or to access and to save a copy within your own Canva account. And it is just basically cuts out the whole like I'm not a graphic designer issue. So if you just want to be able to work through your website, your marketing for your library very quickly and have something that is recognizable and easy to fill out and ready to go for your library programming marketing, you'll have a Canva poster at the end of this. And then all of the elements in the Canva poster are going to be things that will directly and immediately translate to what you need for your website and very likely also for your social media posts. So basically, this is an all-in-one how you get from library marketing 101, your very beginning of a event marketing plan on through to you've got your final marketing materials. And in theory, it should take you no longer than a little longer, but probably an hour at the most. For me, I pulled all the pieces together for this, so we're going to put them in. I've already done the checklist, but if you have the items and you're ready to go with them, it will go very quickly for you to do this. Always looking for feedback and your ideas on things too. So this is just a tool for you to use and to help you get through your website. I am going to put this is the training document. I will put this into chat for you. And documentation here. The recording will also be posted here when it is done. And then I will share the link to the Canva template in here as soon as we get down to that. So again, this is your backup that we'll be going through today. The key takeaways is that we're going to use a poster template that has your library logo, address, contact information already set in a place. You can save it as your own template. The graphics are a set size that should work for a blog or event post on your website and should go directly from website into social media. And then the text information within the poster will then translate to your post text content for your website. And then I've created two templates. One has an optional QR code space in it. So should be just bam, bam, boom, right on through. First off, I do reference a couple of different blog post tools that we have done before. This is creating a new blog post for my website, and specifically what I'm looking at right here is what you will need. There is a checklist in here if you are a checklist person that you can download a checklist. Oh, look, the link's moved. I need to update that. Yay, broken links. If you want a checklist for creating your WordPress post, but also things you'll need for this poster, this will help you get everything you need for the Canva template and everything. This is available on this training page. This one also goes into, and then this next one goes into design and writing tools, some hints and tips for writing press releases, writing documentation, or not writing press releases, writing descriptions, writing the information you need in order to then create the tools you need. That's spinning on me. But those two things are linked here. The rest of this, creating a new blog post for your website, goes through the very specific steps of what it takes to take the information that we're going to develop today in our poster and put it into our website. So we are going to do all of these things in one fell swoop. But these are the two background documents that are here that can help you get to the point of being ready to create your poster. So a little bit of cart and horse happening here where you might need to back up, go through this checklist. Then we'll come over here, create our Canva template. Then you'll take that information and put that into a blog post. So we're going to start with what you will need before you begin. And it's actually a very simple checklist. One is your event title. Um, Optional is you may want one that has a logo specific to your event. We are going to create a website or a poster template that has your library logo already on it. But if you're partnering with a partner organization, they may have a logo and may want to put that on your onto your poster as well. So optional thing is to have that logo handy as well. Then you need to have your post content, which is the text that you're going to put on your website and into your blog post describing what the event is. And that, again, that checklist is in the design and writing tools and your checklist for creating a blog post. It's basically the where, when, why, how, and any other details that people need to know about your item, about your event. Then your featured item picture in JPEG or PNG format is your marketing or graphic image. Going back to accessibility purposes, the whole point of this is that we are going to try to create images that have no words in them. The words will all be on the poster in the blog post in different places. The featured image will not have words in it. I am going to use the size 795 pixels by 500 pixels. For the most part, this will work on most websites that I have seen. And we can always adjust your website as we go. This kind Divi is weird. It does tend to have some formatting things going on. Most people will be pretty successful with this size. And we'll talk about creating a Canva template for that. There's another reference for that. Optional is a QR code. You can actually create this in Divi, so you don't need to make it. But what you would need is the URL it's going to link to. So if you're going to link back to your website, you need to know what that URL is. And we'll go through that in a minute. And then the last thing, once you have all those other pieces in place, and I have my library marketing poster website planning, or my post web checklist. I need to customize my poster, so I will need, and this is one thing you'll do once and you'll be done. You need your library address, phone, website, email, contact information, your library logo. And then you'll need to have for your blog post, you need to have your event title, your post content, your featured image, and the URL for my QR code. And I've already put all of this into this document for myself. So this is what I'm going to be referencing. Now I can get to my Canva flyer template. I'm going to copy this so that I can open it. Notice I am signed into Canva in this browser window, and I am going to paste this link that I'm going to put into chat so you too can open it and look at it. And you will see here a 2-page Canva website friendly flyer template. This will be a view only. You would have to request editing. What we're going to do is we're going to save a copy of this. So all you need to do is open this link. There are 2 different options for your template here. One is one without a QR code, and there is one with space for a QR code. You can do more customizing of this if you want, but this link will always be just view only. So then we're going to go over, so our very first step is that we do need to save it to our own Canva instance and update it with our own information. So to do that, you will click on File and then Make a Copy. And it's going to remix it, and it's going to say that there's a copy here. And as it loads, and again, I'm doing this all in a free version of Canva. I'm not a paid subscription for this particular demonstration. So everything we do here today, you can do with free Canva. I'm going to change the name of this. And normally what I would do if this is my first time doing it, I would put library name flyer template, and I would then make another copy for the one that I'm going to do today. because what you would do first, you would do the library name flyer template. So I'm my example demonstration today is an event that actually took place last year at the Crandon Public Library. So let's say I'm at the Crandon Library, Crandon Public Library flyer template. I'm not going to fill in any of this information yet. I'm going to begin by filling in the contact information and my library logo on both of these. So these will become my new template. So my information for my library is I have Crandon Public Library, 110 West Polk Street. Let me see if I can, I'm just going to update all of this. Crandon Public Library, 110 West. Oops, cannot type. West Polk Street. There is no PO box on this one. We're going to do Crandon, Wisconsin, 54502. And then phone number, I'll probably copy and paste. But I can paste that. And my website and my contact information is here. So now I've updated my footer here. I can, because I have two different flyer templates here, I'm just going to come down here to that and put in on that one. And now I'm going to add my library logo. And I've already uploaded my library logo, I believe. Uploads. Yep, there it is. And so I didn't create this as an image mask. You'll just have to, because I don't know, everybody's logo is a slightly different proportion. So you will need to do this. Fun fact, if your library logo quality is poor, like when you save it and you've got such an old logo or old folder and it pixelates because it's doesn't have enough data to it. It's gotten too small over the years. You can put it into one of the AI chatbots and ask it to improve the quality, and it works pretty well. It's I don't know how everybody feels about AI, but sometimes it really does save my skin for getting something like that done where I don't want to have to recreate and re-graphic design an entire logo. So there I have my contact information and my logo inserted into this template. So as I said, I've saved this one as the Crandon Public Library flyer template. This is my one and done. It's my template. I am going to save this again, make another copy, and then that is the one that I am going to update with this current event. So all I have to do is go to File, make a copy, and now I have copy of the Crandon Public Library flyer template. And now I can remove the word template. And I can say we're going to do the Iceland hike flyer. So we're going to do an event that is about a travel log event where two speakers came in to share their story about hiking hiking a trail in Iceland. And I am probably shooting myself in the foot because I cannot pronounce the name of this trail, but we're putting it in here anyway. So we're going to live on the edge. So now I have a plain template here, and I have a template here that does not have a QR code, and I have a template that wants a QR code. I'm going to go ahead and create one because I have a URL for it. I am going to go ahead and create one with a QR code. This way, when it's printed and it's hung up in town, somebody can scan it and you can send them to a place on your website that has some more information on it. So maybe your summer reading poster would have this because it might have information that changes, or it might have more information than you can possibly fit onto a poster. So we're going to demonstrate today how to do one with a QR code. So I'm going to use this page, and that means I can delete this one and only have the event title or the event for the Iceland hike. So I'm going to begin by filling in my event title. Now, this is an example of how you can modify the template as you need it for your particular event. Um, this one has a really long event title. Crandon Public Library Travel Series, Hiking the Iceland's famous, word I can't pronounce, trail. And so immediately on here, I am not going to have enough space for fitting that entire title here. So this is where you get to practice your Canva skills a little bit, and I am going to duplicate the event title space. And I'm going to put the first half of it on top. And this might be an opportunity, like if you do have like a travel series or another series, book club, other things where you can customize a poster that is specific to the travel series. And I'm just doing the very simple thing because having a smaller font up top works really well for this. And actually, this one's probably going to be too long anyway. We'll just see how it works. What's nice about this, also notice this red danger zone. This is to avoid things getting cut off when you print it. It'll print as white when you print the actual flyer, but it prevents you from putting images that are or text that's going to get cut off on the edge. So I've got the hiking on the trail. I can also resize. The image here, again, is set up to be 795 by 500. It doesn't need to take up the entire. I can shrink that down a little bit just to make everything fit. Oops, just center it. Leave a little white space around the edges. This one does not have, because it's just part of the travel series, it doesn't have a partner logo. So I'm going to delete this from the top. And actually I could then, although that really doesn't do me all that much. I could mess around with that. Um, this piece right here is just a placeholder reminder of the pixel size that is needed to fill in this space. So delete that out. And what you have here is an image mask. So when you drop, oops, not an element, upload, when you drop an image, and I have already created an image in the correct size. And I'm going to show you how to do that or I'll show you how I've done that in a minute. But this way I can just drop it in, it fills in the space, boom, I'm done with that. Um, Again, I already created this image. What I do for that, and I'm going to show you my other account, my regular Canva account. What I do to make sure all of my blog post items are the same size is I have created a template for myself by going into File, Create New Design, and then I say that I want an image in 795 by 500 proportion. And then I end up with my running just my running template for blog images. And eventually I'll delete some of these out of here. But when I come up here, basically all I do is I either duplicate the page or I add a new page, and then I can design my new design in that. And then I download that image and I save it. And that, again, template to template, at least now I know that all my images are the correct size. Again, you can do this in a free account. So I have my image of the correct size. I have my title, and I'm going to go back and on the poster, I have a specific place where you can put the event date, time, and location. And so I have just saved that in my post content. And I'm probably going to have to make adjustments here because again, I have a lot of long content, which is fine. I can make tons of adjustments. The feature image also doesn't need to be that big on the poster, but it's a nice eye-attracting image. And then my event description. So time, place, and location is right there, very large, easy to see. And then I have a description that I will post in here. And that is good and long because I am trying to save space for a QR code. So guess what? I am going to make you a little smaller. Yep. Can put this above the QR code this time. And if you're like me, you're going to probably lose more time just to trying to make things look perfect. But if you're not a person who needs to make it look perfect, you can move on. This is also a place where you can be creative on your own. If you want to do some graphic design, you could put a colored background behind the top, behind the bottom, in the footer. There's some other things that you can do. Some of you may only be able to print in black and white. Some of you may be able to print in color, all the things. But this is my basic poster design so far, and all I have left to do is to add the QR code. So what's fun about Canva is they have added the ability to do QR codes. It's shortcutted here for me now. What you would do is come into apps and you can scroll down and QR codes are among the more from Canva apps. And again, it is part of a free subscription or a free account. So I'm going to come and I'm going to come to QR code. They have a couple of fun things. Maybe we'll use stars. Why not? And then I need a URL, which I did save. So this is another cart before the horse. What you may need to do now is go into your website start creating your blog post, which we are going to do next. I happen to already know what the URL I'm going to use is, so I'm just going to shortcut to it. But you may need to go into your website, start your blog post or your event, and get the URL from that, save that as a draft. Come back to your poster, put that URL in to finish your QR code, and then save your poster and then finish your blog post. But like I said, I already know in this case what my URL is going to be, mainly because this is an event that happened in the past. So it was already done. I already had the URL. So I can save that. I don't really need to name it anything. And there's my URL. I can get rid of my QR code placeholder. And now I have my Canva fun QR code. So I have my poster. That took, I don't know, 10 minutes. Yes, and font size, Ben just said keeping your font size to a minimum of 14. I would say 16. Notice this one did stay at 16. I would double check it. Actually, probably the scan to get started is a little small. I might go back and adjust that up to 14. And the address is a little smaller. Maybe I'll go back and adjust the template so that you do have that. The nice thing about this template is the image is huge. You can cut way back on the image and give yourself plenty of space to make the font larger. But if you don't have a lot of words, then you can have a large image if you like. So there we have our Canva poster template. What's really fun is all of you people, I don't know how you feel, but if you've been doing website stuff for a while and you every time you see an image, now your little alarm bells for alternative text go off, you don't have to do that on a poster because this poster is going to get printed and this poster is not going on our website. The pieces of the poster are going on our website, but right now, to get this poster done, you don't have to think about alt text. As Ben said, the size font, color contrast, those things are all still very important, but you can skip the alt text. So this one, you can download it as a PDF. You can get it ready, save it to my computer. I can get this printed off. Somebody can run around and post your posters while you go to your website. Let's see. What other comments here? Ah, yeah, the QR code's URL and text underneath. That's a good idea. Maybe I should include that on the template as well as the URL text. If you needed a short URL code, we can talk about doing slugs and all of that stuff. That might actually be a really good thing to do soon. But here I've got my flyer, and I will take that suggestion about the URL, putting a printed URL out. I also don't put this URL on your post because if you're on your phone on a website looking at a website that has a QR code on it, you can't take a picture of a QR code that's on your phone with your phone. So only put your QR code on your posters. Cool. Okay, let's go to our website. And you know what? I'm actually, because it's a past site, I'm going to log into my website here. Well, if I can move, I need to move Zoom out of the way. Open admin in a new tab. Loading. Hopefully we don't have one of those moments where Vivi decides it's not going to work. Ah, there we go. Okay, so we are on our website. I am going to pause momentarily to talk about a little bit of a differentiation. Actually, okay, this is a really good example. Your website will have one of two things, possibly both, but more likely one of two things. For those of you that have an older website, you are going to most likely be very familiar with doing posts on your website. And those posts are what then show up in your post slider or your blog carousel. So if you have something on your website that looks like this, and ignore my header on here, but you have your blog carousel that shows a whole bunch of blog posts, you have a website that does posts. Our newer websites, so some of you that have had website rebuilds in the last couple of years, let me pull up one over here that I think is using. Actually, know who I should go to is one that I absolutely know is using it. No. Come on. I had you. Momentary brain system. Yeah, yes. Um, so the newer websites, rather than having that traditional, or this one has both. This has a slider or carousel on it, but then also has upcoming events. And if you go back and review, if you didn't attend my website calendar training from last month, you will go back to that training and learn about the events calendar. And any library that has the events calendar is going to have something more like this. And in some cases, libraries have chosen to not do the traditional post slider and only do events. Um, in this case, like a lot of the things that we do, Wanna Walk would be another good example. Um, they only advertise the events. They feature those rather than making posts and maintaining a calendar. So saving a little of time by not doing a blog post slider. So you see that here you have, it looks pretty similar to the post slider, except that it directly has your time, place, title. All of that is right there in the feature. There's pros and cons to both. Go back and watch my calendar training. Um, the advantage to this is that everything that we just covered in creating a poster template works for both posts and events. So whether you are going to make a new post or if you are going to make a new event, both of these work. They have the same essential elements. And my training walks through and kind of points out the different elements and where they're going to go. So if you look at an event, you have a title, you have a big empty place for a description, you have your event categories, you have a featured image, and you have a post excerpt. If you have a post, it looks frighteningly similar. You have a post, you have categories, you have a big empty space for descriptions, you have a featured image, and you have an excerpt. One thing you have different would be enable a future action, and that's the date that you want the thing to come off of your post slider. You want it to expire. With an event, it happens automatically because when the event is over, it's gone from your calendar, or it can be gone from your calendar. So just know that I'm going to walk through events, but if you have the events calendar, the process is almost exactly the same. So here is our poster. We have a title, we have a date and time description, and we have a featured image. If I go back to my training page that I have open over here, and I can just show you my blog post here. So this is what it looks like before and after, which is essentially what we have. I put a picture on here which shows you exactly how the things in your poster template translate over to your website. So your event title, your blog post, your event title goes into the post title. Your image goes into your featured image space down here, but you have to add alt text. The event date, time, location would be going into your post text and your excerpt here. And again, with the calendar, the events calendar event, it looks very, very similar. So you can refer back to these graphics, but we're going to do that right now. So I'm going to go back to my blog post. And I can actually pull this either directly from my calendar or I can go back to my checklist that I had all of the pieces in to begin with. So I can take my title and put that into the title. Now, notice this. If I click away from here, this is going to be a very long slug when it comes up. I'm actually going to put this under adult programs right away. So I'm going to fill in my category down here with adult programs. That's taking a while to come up, so I'm just going to keep moving. Post content, I like to put the date, time, and location right up top in my post. That's just the way I like it because people, oh, when was that? They come to your website, they see it, they've already read the description, they just need to confirm date, time, and place. If you are adding a new event, you wouldn't necessarily need to do this because the date, time, location are all going to be filled in as you fill out the event information. So you wouldn't need that tag, but I like to put that into a post. And then my featured image, I already have my file, so I can select my image. And I have my JPEG image. Oh, there it is. I want the one that is the right size. And I have alt text already. I did my homework on the checklist. I went to the image accessibility, image accessibility creator, and I uploaded my image into this place. And I asked it to create image details, and it gave me an image breakdown and an alternative text. I happen to know who these women are, and I wanted to change it a little bit. So I took, actually, I did just stick with the two women. Let's see, but I could put the names of the women. I'm going to copy this and come back to my website. Oops. Back to my website, which is in a different tab now. I'm going to drop my alt text in here. Since I know the names from the presenters, I could, instead of saying two women, I could say, what is it, um, Jill and Claudia Krieger, to personalize this a little bit. Jill and Claudia Krieger in hiking attire in a lush Icelandic landscape. I'm going to set that as my featured image. And notice that appears here. Now, the excerpt is what would appear in the post carousel. If you don't put in an excerpt, it's going to start with this information. Another reason to put the time and place and location, or time, date, location into the very first words, it's going to automatically pull that, and that will show up on your homepage. If you want to revise what that says, you can rewrite that into a short excerpt. And I can say, join us on Tuesday, October 14th, in the lower level of the library to hear stories of hiking Iceland's Lagavög Trail. And now I have a shorter excerpt that will show up on my page. And now at this point, I can hit publish. And notice my accessibility checker also has 100% because I added the alt text and I don't have anything. I don't want this to be my slug though. In the case of I already established that QR code, it would be very important to make sure that this matches the QR code and see how long this title is compared to, it just ends up being such a huge URL. I can edit this slug and make this shorter, and I can just say hiking Iceland maybe is all I need for my URL. Keep it nice, short, and sweet. So then I would have this hiking Iceland. If I've already got my QR code, make sure this matches the QR code. Otherwise, do this. Go back to your poster and update the QR code to match that. So I'm going to update that. And just like that, I have my poster and I have my, let me see, go to my website. And I have my website done. It meets all the accessibility standards. And I need to put it in the right category. I put it under adult programs, but I need to make sure I add it to homepage. So I did check. And then the other thing I want to do is make sure that it does disappear off of my website. So I would come down to future actions and update that. But let me make sure that I get that onto the homepage slider because it will appear on the program slider since I have it in that category and I have a web page that has a space for that. So let's do this. And there I have my featured image shows up just right. I have my title and I have a short little excerpt. And then you could just click on that to read more. And then I have my blog post with the extra information there. So that's the basic workflow for using the template and getting to work on that. If you are doing an event, again, it basically works the same way, other than you can put the same excerpt in here if you want. You can set your featured image, and add your alt text, but then you would do your time and date and location down in the event calendar. And that would appear in your wherever your event calendar is featured on your website. So that's the basic process. Any thoughts or questions? I do appreciate Ben's idea, making sure that you have at least 14-point font on your poster and to actually add the text of the URL next to the QR code. Any other thoughts or processes or feedback or ideas on this? Because I can adjust the template for you guys right up front if there's something that makes sense for everybody. If you are attending our in-person workshops the last week of August, this is going to be a key part of our workflows. So if you have an event, if you have something that you want to create a poster for and then put on your website or go through that process, we're going to use these tools in that training. You can skip right to the blog post and not do the poster. But if you either have a good collaborative relationship with the person who does the posters for events, you can give them this tool and it'll help you get your work done for the website. If you are the person that does all the things, hopefully this type of thing would make your workflow much smoother and quicker. And by having kind of a recognizable template out in the world that already has your contact information, I think it would help a lot of people be like, oh, it must be a library program. I recognize that format. But the featured image would change, the title would change, but they're going to relate it to that. I do have an example. You'll see the example that's in the training documentation. This is one where I did not add a QR code, but I did add a logo because this is an event put on at the library for the library by the Beaver Creek Reserve. The Beaver Creek Reserve has their own logo. So this is an example where I put that additional logo onto the page just to show that it's a partner presentation and just an opportunity to, again, you have your event poster, you have that piece of it, but then you've also included your information and making sure that people know it's at the library in that. Hey, hopefully everybody's out there making their events and their or using the template, and you've already gotten to work on seeing if this works for you. Feedback is welcome at any time, and if I do get to see you in at the end of August, we can talk about this then. If unfortunately stuck in one of those spots where either the time, date, or location doesn't work for you, we're talking about at least making this kind of an annual event. It's a lot of travel and travel budget, but thanks to the Lean Wisconsin partners and our partner systems, hopefully we can do this at least once a year to make this a regular thing for us to work on website technology pieces like that. Cool. Okay, well, I will stop recording.